How to save effects on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new post. From here, you can choose whether you want to create a story, reel, or post. For this example, select Story. Once you open the Story camera, you will see different effects appearing at the bottom of the screen. Each effect has a name displayed above the capture button. If you want to save an effect that you like, tap on Save Effect, and it will be added to your saved effects collection. Your saved effects will always appear on the left side of the effects list when you open the Instagram camera. This makes it easy to find and use them again later. If you want to explore more effects, swipe all the way to the right in the effects carousel until you see a search icon. Tap on it to open the effects gallery. Here, you will find many different categories of effects. You can scroll through them to see what's trending or tap on the search bar at the top to look for a specific effect by name. Once you find an effect you like, tap on it to see a preview. If you want to use it, tap on Try It. If you want to save it for later, tap on the Save icon. This will add it to your saved effects, making it easy to access anytime you create a story or reel. That's how to save effects on Instagram.